Hello my beautiful people, this is your girl Claudia and I'm back with another quick review. Before I begin my review, I do want to share with you that all of my reviews are based on my opinion, interest, and recommendation. This review is on one of my favorite interests, and that is decorating. I decided to do a Bohemian themed outdoor brunch setting. This was inspired by my fall decor. I received so many lovely compliments. So I decided to show you how I decorate step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you truly enjoyed it as much as I did. If you have any comments, please leave me a comment below. And once again, remember to stay safe and be blessed until next time.